Dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence and digital business, where you'll explore everything from AI ethics and data analytics to blockchain and digital transformation.
This is an introductory course about what AI is and what it is not, and how you can use it to your benefit and to the benefit of your company.
Discover how AI is reshaping business strategy, marketing, and startups while building global connections with like-minded peers.
How to apply the strategy of implementation of the artificial intelligence inside the business.
I learned a lot of new AI tools that could be used to help my productivity.
This isn't just theory, it's about solving real business challenges, guided by industry experts, in a city that thrives on creativity and disruption. Cultural visits included.
Doing summer school in Barcelona, like the mood, people are on holiday, people are taking it slow, people are enjoying gazpacho right now. Because like it's summer school, yes, but it also feels like a vibe because like I could literally just walk out of class and go enjoy some tapas, you know, so I'm really, really happy about it.
And yes, it's all in English, while enjoying summer holidays in sunny Spain.
It was like a very warm moment. This program was very useful to me and to other students.
So this is our AI course at GBSB.
Rethink the future. Apply now to join the leaders of tomorrow.